How to increase or decrease your budget on Satispay. To increase or decrease your budget on Satispay, open the app and enter your PIN. From the main screen, go to the Profile section by clicking on your profile picture in the top left. Scroll down to the Payments and Top-Ups section. Here you'll find the Budget section. Here you'll see your current budget. Click on Modify and scroll to select a new budget. You can choose any amount as long as it's a multiple of 25. Once you're done, click Confirm. After confirming the change, Satispay will automatically update your balance during the next weekly check. If you increase your budget, you may need to wait for an additional verification from Satispay for security reasons. If you decrease your budget, the excess amount will be credited back to your bank account within the timeframe specified by the app.